Welcome back to our channel. The year is 2026, and the hypercar landscape has undergone a tectonic shift. For decades, the recipe for speed was simple: more cylinders, more displacement, and more carbon fiber. But in a small, high-tech facility in Los Angeles, a father and son duo, Kevin and Lucas Czinger, decided to throw the cookbook away. The Czinger 21C isn't just a car. It is a manifestation of DAPS, Divergent Adaptive Production System. It represents a total divorce from traditional manufacturing. While legacy brands were still carving blocks of aluminum and molding carbon fiber in ovens, Czinger was printing a revolution: the architecture, 3D printing the future. The heart of the 21CS brilliance lies in its skeleton. Look closely at the suspension nodes or the rear subframe, and you won't see the clean geometric lines of a CNC machine. Instead, you see organic, bone-like structures that look more like a piece of an alien spacecraft than a chassis. Generative design. Using AI and proprietary software, Czinger grows parts. You tell the computer where the load points are and how much stress the part must endure, and the algorithm calculates the most efficient path for the material. Additive manufacturing. These digital designs are brought to life through 3D printing in proprietary alloys like Inconel, a nickel-chromium superalloy used in rockets, and high-strength aluminum. The weight advantage. Because a computer removes every gram of laser material that isn't actively working to hold the car together, the 21C achieves a dry weight of just 1,250 kilograms, 2,755 pounds. We aren't just building a car. We are building a tool set for the 21st century. The 21C is the first expression of a digital manufacturing era where the only limit is your imagination. Kevin Czinger. The powertrain. Small engine, massive soul. In an era of 8.0-liter W16S and massive battery packs, Czinger went small and high revving. The 21C is powered by a 2.88-liter flat-plane crank twin-turbo V8. It is the most power-dense production engine in existence. The internal combustion engine screams to an 11,000 revolutions per minute redline, driving the rear wheels through a 7-speed automated manual transmission. But the V8 doesn't work alone. Two high-output electric motors power the front wheels, providing true torque vectoring all-wheel drive and filling in the gaps during gear shifts. The fighter jet cockpit, a 1+1 tandem layout. The most striking visual element of the 21C, aside from an organic frame, is its width, or rather, its lack of it. To achieve the narrowest possible frontal area for aerodynamic efficiency, Czinger utilized a tandem seating arrangement. The driver sits dead center, just like in a McLaren F1 or a Formula One car. The passenger sits directly behind them. This 1+1 layout creates a central mass of gravity that is perfectly balanced, but also provides a cockpit experience unlike any other road car. From the driver's seat, the view is unobstructed, flanked by high-arch fenders that let you place the tires with millimeter precision on a track apex. The variants: high downforce versus V-Max. Czinger offers a 21C in two distinct flavors to suit the owner's mission profile. The high downforce track configuration features a massive top-mounted rear wing and aggressive front splitters. It is a corner-carving monster designed to break lap records. The V-Max, a long-tail version that removes the fixed wing and smooths out the bodywork. This is a version that hunts the 250+ mph top speed barrier, trading downforce for pure, slippery velocity. Dominance on the tarmac, record slayer. The 21C didn't just arrive with big numbers. It arrived with a stopwatch. In late 2025 and early 2026, the car went on a tear across America's most legendary circuits. At Laguna Seca, the 21C reclaimed the production car lap record from the Koenigsegg Jesko, specifically the Sedair Spear variant, clocking a blistering 1 minute and 22.30 seconds. It wasn't a marginal victory. It was a 2-second gap, an eternity in the world of professional racing. It followed this up with similar dominance at the Circuit of the Americas COTA and Road Atlanta, proving that its 3D printed suspension could handle the violence of high-G cornering, as well as any traditional racing setup. The Blackbird Edition, a tribute to stealth. In 2025, Czinger introduced the 21C Blackbird, an homage to the Lockheed State Route 71 Blackbird spy plane. Finished in a jet black paint that absorbs light and featuring an extra 100 horsepower, bringing the total to 1,350 horsepower. The Blackbird Edition serves as a reminder of the 21CS spiritual connection to aerospace engineering. The wheels are inspired by the SR-71's engine intakes, and the interior uses custom-developed textiles that evoke the flight suits of the Cold War era. It is a one-of-80 masterpiece within an already ultra-exclusive production run. Conclusion: why the Czinger 21C changes everything. The Czinger 21C is more than a hypercar. It is a proof of concept. It proves that the old way of building cars, using massive factories, expensive tooling, and millions of dollars in fixed molds, is becoming obsolete. By using generative design, Czinger has created a car that mimics the efficiency of nature. It is as strong as it needs to be, as light as it can possibly be, and as fast as the laws of physics will allow. While the Draco GT, which we discussed earlier, mastered the software of the electric drive, the Czinger 21C has mastered the hardware of the digital age. It is a 1,250 horsepower invitation to the future. And as it screams past you at 11,000 revolutions per minute, you aren't just hearing an engine, you're hearing the sound of the 21st century taking flight. Building on that, the Czinger 21C is more than just a fast car. It's a showcase of the Divergent Adaptive Production System, DAPS. This isn't just printing parts. It's an AI-driven overhaul of how vehicles are conceived and assembled. Here is the deeper dive into the engineering and the specific variants that define the 21C lineup in 2026. Hammer and wrench the alien engineering, DAPS. While most carbon fiber hypercars use traditional molds, the 21CS chassis consists of 3D printed aluminum and titanium nodes connected by carbon fiber tubes. Generative design, AI algorithms grow the parts. If a component only needs to withstand force in two directions, the AI removes all dead material, resulting in organic, bone-like structures that are significantly lighter than forged